S equal to theta r. Otherwise, theta angle equal to S by r. S equal to theta by r. Listen here. In this condition, I am only considering a part of a circle. Actually, the circular motion means full circle is involved here. Am I right? Yes. So that means my theta equal to circumference of the circle divided by radius. That is the right expression. So listen here. In this case, theta equal to S by r. S is the part of a circle arc. The second condition, I am considering the full of the circle. So theta equal to S by r. What is this S in this condition? Full of the circle. So circle का circumference पूरा involved है. So what is the equation of circumference of the circle? 2 pi r. So full of the circle means circumference of the circle. Circumference of the circle divided by radius. So theta equal to 2 pi r divided by r. R will be cancelled. So you should get theta equal to 2 pi. Don't write now, just listen everyone. So next, we should going on the next new topic for us. This theta in degree, theta is measured in degree. You know angles are measured in 360 degree, 270 degree, 20 degree. You know that. 2 pi, the equation is called as radian. Radian. So two types equation comparison is going on here. Theta in degree, 2 pi in radian. Listen here. So one circle, completed one circle. How much degrees are there? 1 point. Very good. 1 point ka in between, how much degrees are there? 360. So theta equal to replaced by 360. 360 degree equal to 2 pi radian. How the radian will be given here? We should bother about the angular cases. Unit is radian. Normal circular condition, unit is degree. I hope you can understand this. Our chapter is circular motion. So that's why we should bother about what is the difference in normal condition to the circular motion condition. Angle is theta, degree our expression is radian. So theta equal to S by r, 2 pi r divided by r depends on the circumference. R will be cancelled. Theta equal to 2 pi. Clear everyone? Okay. 360 degree equal to 2 pi radian. That means 1 degree कितना है? No sir. Think it properly. Listen. Sir, wait करो. 5 mangoes I have. 10 rupees. 5 mangoes. 10 rupees. 1 mango को कितना है? 10 by 5. Similarly, 360 degree, 2 pi radian. 1 degree कितना है? 2 pi by 360. So 1 degree equal to 2 pi by 360. You will get the answer.
Pi by 1.
You get the answer. 0.01764. 0.01764 radian. Maybe some students have a doubt how to simplify this. Very easy. 1 degree equal to 2 into pi value is 22 by 7. Otherwise 3.14 divided by 360. Calculator is allowed to you. Simplify it. You should get the answer of this much. So 1 degree equal to this much of radian. Clear everyone? समझ गया क्या? Okay. Then I have a doubt. 1 degree means this much of radian. So 1 radian कितना है sir? 1 radian कितना है? Common sense use करना ना एक और बार भी. Listen here. 11 standards, 11 science. Hello sir, sit in properly. So I already know 360 degree equal to 2 pi radian. So I want to find out 1 radian. How will take it? 360 divided by 2 pi. So 1 radian equal to 57.27 degree equal to 1 radian. So अब ये कंपैरिजन समझ गया सबको? कितना है सर? सिंपल है. LKG UKG का मैथ्स है. क्या बोलना है? 360 equal to 2 pi. So 1 degree means 2 pi by 360.
मैम यहाँ पे रेडियन का वैल्यू एक जगह 57.27 डिग्री दिया है, एक जगह पे 57.32 डिग्री.
57.27 is the right answer. 57.27. Don't talk here. Just listen. to explain you this much, how to convert 1 degree to radian, radian to degree. Clear everyone? I hope you can understand this. That is the first topic of the chapter, angular displacement. Listen here everyone once more. Any object is moving in a circular motion, rotational motion. All the terms of the circular motion, that object will be changed. Distance is angular distance, displacement, angular displacement, velocity, angular velocity, angle in degree, angle with radian. अभी समझ गया क्या? Angle with degree क्या हो जाएगा? Angle with radian change हो जाएगा. So I am considering a circular motion here and considering a part of a circle. A part of the circle is called as arc. So I am just considering the arc AB joining to the center O. Both are in radius r. So theta equal to S by r. What is this? That r displacement. So the first expression, theta equal to S by r. From this expression, S equal to theta r. The case number 2, we should consider the full of the circle. So displacement is circumference of the circle. Circumference of the circle is 2 pi r divided by r. Radius will be cancelled. Theta in degree equal to 2 pi in radian. From this data, we should convert one circle contained degree is 360 equal to 2 pi radian. So 1 degree equal to 2 pi by 360, you should get the answer. Similarly, we should try to convert radian into degree also. I hope everyone will get it properly.
Yes.
Pause the video.